kókó. Èkó náà lọ tí wọ́n kókó mọ́. Gbogbo irun orí tí wọ́n kókó mọ́ rí. Báwọn kókó mọ́ kan náà kọ àǹtí. Ẹyẹ wọ́n kókó máa yá láàyà wọ̀dà. Àti ti fáyà ẹ̀ bí pé ló ń jẹ́ o. Kò gbọ́dọ̀ kí wáyà o. Adé wọn kì í fáyà méjì ní ilé wa. Adé bí pé ní first lady. Òun náà tún ní last person. Tọ́jú ẹ̀dá ẹ̀dá o. Tọ́jú ẹ̀dá ẹ̀dá o. Ìyàwó ọmọ rí lọ. Màmá mẹ́wàá lọ. Ikú wa máa lẹ́wà. Orí lọ. Ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ oṣù tètè borí lọ. Ìyàwó bàbá mẹ́wàá lọ. Ìwà ẹ̀wà ẹ ò rí pé o mọ̀ yóò tọrọ lọ.
Yes, sir. valuable and a sincere applause for a legend in his prime, someone who was relevant when I was growing up. He is still relevant now that I'm in my 30s, and I know he's going to continue to be relevant even when I'm going to be in my 60s. Ladies and gentlemen, I am talking about no other than Alhaji Akoni Olayinka Quadri. We celebrate you, sir. I acknowledge the presence of someone that I personally love so much, and I respect this man a lot, not just with the work he has done in the film industry, but also his personality and how he relates with others. Ladies and gentlemen, I am talking about a filmmaker, a film producer, a thespian, and a legend in our midst. Ladies and gentlemen, I am talking about no other than Professor. Don't be afraid when I use the word professor. He's actually a professor. Professor Tunde Kilari. You're welcome, sir. to the dance floor real quick. No break. Don't worry, we're going to enjoy ourselves on dance floor. Alright, allow the couple to just walk straight to the dance floor. We will have our own fun on the dance floor. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody, including the bride party, please leave my dance floor. I mean, everybody, the media guys, the bride party, men on suits, everybody, please allow the couple alone on the dance floor. Please, can everybody go back now? Shimon Patel, can you go back now? You can hold the cameras now. When they are talking about everybody, they mean everybody, including myself.
I'm okay. Everybody's just...
You see those play songs or the songs that you played for the couple, you are going to play for them again and they are going to be dancing alone. And the KBCs are stepping out right now to bless the newest couple in town. Thank you very much. From the LG Techno Infinix but you see, you can give it to one of our bouncers. If you are going home, you collect it. Alright, are you ready now? My media guys are back. My media guys are back. My media guys are back. So, are you ready? Big TJ, are you ready for this beautiful couple? For just 2 minutes, let's go. Let's do this. Big TJ, let's go for this beautiful couple. Let's go. One time.
I've never done this before, people, so you will indulge me my first time of holding a mic. At 48-year-old, I got an inspiration to write a book about my husband, my darling husband of 27 years. And I'm like, I don't know how to do this, but through the help of some people, I was able to do that. Upon writing the book, I was going to turn 50, on his 50th was when I wrote it. So I was about to turn 50 and I got an inspiration to turn that book, I call it The Unlikely Oil Merchant, and to make it into a movie. And we started it with the help of Tony Abraham, my goddaughter. Thank you. We started in the journey. We were going to cast someone else. That's why I call them my testimony. We were going to cast someone else for the role of the bride. And we knew we were going to use Latif, but we were going to cast someone else. Right there and then, myself, Biodun Stephen, and Tony Abraham, we called the person. And unfortunately, the person was expecting, so we couldn't cast her. And she was almost due to give birth. And then we said, who are we going to use? And then we insisted, Tony suggested we have to use her. My joy today is because on the production, they have done a lot of couple roles together, we all know that. Because this is a biopic that I wrote, it is going to be a true life story. The story is coming out soon, though. And right there and then. I read 2 days ago or 3 days ago on Bigbe's story that it was on that production that she had a conviction that she was going to marry Latif. Eva mi gbé Ọlọ́run tóbi. Eva mi gbé Ọlọ́run tóbi. Their journey is very, very peculiar when we talk about religion and all of that. And it has been a stumbling block in their way all the while. Shout out to Taiwan, God bless you, my darling. And here we are today. Okay, as a chairperson, I'm supposed to advise them, and then I have a particular word I want to pass to every living creature in this building today. First, Bimpe and Latif, look at the way the noises go. Can you see there is noise? You're going to look at each other, you're not going to face anything that requires any noise anywhere in the world. There will always be noise. You guys are supposed to focus on each other. Bimpe, I'm not supposed to talk. I'm not the person to talk to you in the public. We have said a lot of things together personally when you came to me, both of you. And it gives me joy, great joy, to see this reality happening this evening and today and for a couple of days now. Mo fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run fún àǹfààní yìí and for who you are and for sharing the testimony with me as well. If your union is the only reason why I wrote that book, I am very, very pleased and happy. And thank you very much, congratulations. Before I round up, to everyone living creature here, there's a passage in the Holy Book that says, for listening, God bless you.
Keep clapping, good clapping, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are honored and blessed to have in our midst Uncle Taiwo Hassan. We celebrate you, the perfect gentleman himself. Good evening, sir. You know why I'm calling you the perfect gentleman? You're welcome, sir. Uncle Miyo Ademola Brechi, sir. We celebrate you. You're welcome, sir. Management of this event center, especially for those of us that part. I'm talking about Rolls Royce, Phantom, Bugatti, Maserati, Aston Martins, Ferrari, Bentley, Lamborghini, Porsche, Maybach. Feel free to park inside the compound. You are welcome. But next time, if you are coming with a vehicle, Kilakpeni vehicle, Nissan Pathfinder, Acura, Honda Pilot, Ejaba Packers Express. But next time, if you are coming with a car, what running by car, Corolla, Camry, end of discussion. Discussion continue. Island, Eba Packers is 7-Up, Eba Bokanabo. If you are coming from the mainland, Eba Packers is Kejalong, Eba Bokanabo. But next time, if you are coming with a motor, what do I mean by motor? Passat, Jetta, Mazda 626, Golf 1, Golf 2, Baby Boy, 504, 505, Dassault, Volvo, Tiny Light, Opel, Volkswagen, Mitsubishi, Micro and Subaru. Ejaba Packers in the Yama Pesanebo. In Davara, who say I demand? Are you telling me or you are reminding me? By the way, ladies and gentlemen, my name is MC Ajele, and at this juncture, we are going to run very, very fast. Tayo faculty stepped out to talk about this beautiful couple, and that was powerful. But a friend. Huh?
是咯，领我大事，领我大手错咯，马车是错咯，领我大姐姐错，领我的事咯，领我大事是错咯，心情我来，马车来事，大姐领我手来。
He's saying good evening everyone. I beg you to say.
是咯，心多咯，好回事咯。 马车是咯，领我地是咯，心情是咯，马车是老多，好回事咯，大事阿不来噶，领我多，叔叔嚟呀，是咯，领我多，马车来是，几多路，是多，领我地是，谢谢咯。
He's saying that this marriage will last forever. I'll be sure about the Sunday. And the last message, sir. He's saying, other people stand up. The husband himself stand up.
马基洛洛，请大西罗达，花给谁讲到？领导，不是，领西是咯，领副导，谁打？来，送到马就多，领导带，喂，领导就多，是哩啦，领导第四，喇叭，领导带说是咯的，秀嘞，
我你说我嘞，我kiri ẹ̀kú oríire, mo ní kó kiri ẹ̀kú oríire. Adetola Adebipe, this man has just promised both of you 5 million naira. Yes. And he said he's going to give everybody in this party tonight 300,000 naira each. Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen.
领导的是多来一次，mon cher.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have this beautiful couple on the cake stand? I told you I won't take much of your time. Let's do this real quick. Dr. Smile, I see you. Gio, I see you. Àbórúkọ àdúgbò yìí wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ìyànà pàjá, ìyànà yẹsí, ìyànà lógbò, ìyànà wòrò, ìyànà ọba. Please join them. Or if you are squatting with someone, you can join them as well. All right. Adetola, you can put your left hand by her waist. By her waist, that is perfect. And you place your hand on her own hand. Thank you very much. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Adetola Adebipe, I want both of you to agree the numbers of children you like to give birth to. And when you get to the number, you cut this beautiful cake. Are you ready? I'm ready. Adetola sọ pé 7 bí gbé bá dá lò ó ní ẹ̀díyẹ ló pè mí ni. Àbí ẹyin ló bóyá mo fẹ́ yín. I heard you guys. So ladies and gentlemen, for this beautiful couple, let's go. 12. A footy. Let's go. 10. I am going to make this very fast. Let's go straight to the perfect number. 7. Adetola, if she's not bending, would they bend you now? And the last number, ladies and gentlemen, 5. Adetola, mélòó ni mọ́mí ẹbí, mélòó ni dáàdì ẹbí, Bímpé mélòó ni dáàdì ẹbí. You know we said that we would do greater than our parents, but you are not doing this. Let's go to the last number, 4. 4. Bímpé ojú ló pẹ́ sí o, bend this knife. Ladies and gentlemen, if I mention this number and they don't cut the cake, I will go home. I will go home. The last number, let's go. 3 and they cut it. Big teach.
DJ Big Teach.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Gio. You can have this microphone. Thank you very much. Photographers, are you done with your job? Are you done? All right, can we have this beautiful couple come back to their seat? Can we have the mother of the bride on the dance floor? Ejo Iya Yahuda. Make way, ladies and gentlemen, make way. Adebipe, can you come to the dance floor? Dr. Smile is coming for you. See my guy for Yankee. Uncle Sanchez and Rachel Obake, God bless you. Alright, can we have the mother of the bride on the dance floor? Go to Yaba. Go. Can you see Agembe's wedding gown? So beautiful. Whoever made it, God bless you. Or maybe see something, nothing wrong. Wedding gown, totally car park. Oh, wow. And so, ladies and gentlemen, maybe give me my boss so that camera can pick you. That'll be great. And please come to the video. This is the video right here. That is it. Maybe my boy. And face your daughter. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you mother and daughter dance. DJ Binti, sound it, let's go.
Mommy, oh, mommy, yeah, watch your mama. Anybody go near repair, I follow you. I can't like what you said,
Thank you very much. We just pictures that way down. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Body to bring it down. Ṣé Yorùbá bí mo kò sọ ni wọ́n ṣe náwó lọ. A lè náwó tó bá ń ṣe worship concert gan.
These are what to my mother. Mommy, there are three big thank you that comes from the depth of my heart to you. Thank you for bringing me to this world, despite suffering huge pain. Thank you for giving up the most important things in your life so that I could have the most important things in my life. Thank you for raising me to be the strong woman I am today. You are the best one. This is for you.
gentlemen, the bride just presented to her mother a special gift. Can we open our hands together for her? Thank you very much, Teacher Big Teach. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Are you proud of the photographs? Thank you for her. You are special. You are loved. Can we have the mother of the groom on the dance floor? Ejo, iya koda. Mami, wa ba wo yi jo e ti ba plan na. Awon yan ma jama. You know our mothers. Iya lati. E ma bon bi. Wa bi bi. Ṣé o ní pé Péjú náà ni? Péjú kọ́. Ẹ Péjú. Ẹ má ti jẹun pọ̀ sí. Ẹ jẹ́ kó mú ọ̀nà báyìí. Péjú. Can we have the mother of the groom? Can someone help us get the mother of the groom? Okay, is the mother of the groom here? Okay, mommy, so ladies and gentlemen, we have the mother of the group on the dance floor. For a few minutes, she's going to be dancing with her son. DJ Big Teach for our dear mother. Let's go. Let's sound.
You are my superhero, you fight the love for me. You gave me thank you. Because you're the best. Every day to me, I'm on task day. Mama, you're the best. I should have for you like this. You want to be kind, nobody pass you over. Mama, I love you every day. For to every army, cancer, mama, I keep your
Which guy? Being the independent part of my life. I love you, man. Reality. To go to produce and phone call and then wow. And people up to the
Thank you very much. Thank you. Hold it.
Now, what do you see they talk? Now, that guy they talk. Leave him.
Has been informed. Ladies and gentlemen, in case you don't know, Daffy Paul is on his way. He's on his way to Abuja. We wish him safe journey. And in case you don't know, Bob Devil is not on his way. He's sleeping at home. Alright, please.
First. Now this one is the moment. Just tell me what you want after this.
And so, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the couple's first dance. Let's go. DJ Big TJ ready now? Yeah, where you are.
I'll be right beside you in anything that you do. If you ever need saving, I'm running to you, running to you. I'll be running to you, running to you. Anywhere that you go to, running to you. I'll be running to you, running to you. Anywhere that you go If they wanna be the Judas, if they wanna be the Pharaoh, me I cannot lay low, yo. Me I cannot do that.
Alright, we have one more song to go. DJ Big Teach. We have one more song to go. Big Teach, are you ready? To his beautiful wife. And in case you don't know, Adetola has got a voice that is ear-tingling. Whenever he sings, his voice can pierce through your heart. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Adetola. Unago clap.
DJ, are you ready? Look for my song. Where I compose for you. You know that morning when you said I do compose a song for you. I'm not even going to sing that today, I will sing for you. So I'll sing it to you. Hey,
they say love is a beautiful thing, but I never knew until I found you.
I've been thinking about you lately. Want you making my never babies. Want you be the one to drive me crazy. Jaco Confera to Amilo. Orekele wa CBI. Ayan Femi CBE. Ìfẹ́ látòkè wá ni mo fẹ́. Ìfẹ́ látọ̀run wá ni mo rí. Àtọ̀mọ́mọ́ for you. Wait, think I tell you what you're doing to me.
Why they shake?
Check out the fairy for a meal. Orekele wa CBI. Ayan Femi CBE. Ìfẹ́ o. Láti rí wá ni mo fẹ́. Ìfẹ́ o. Látọ̀run wá ni mo rí o. Ìfẹ́ o. Látòkè wá ni mo fẹ́. Ìfẹ́ o. Látọ̀run wá ni mo rí o. I promise you this. All day, all night, I want to spend the rest of my life with you. All day, all night, I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Ọlọ́run àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ṣá nígbà àdìnáwó irọ́ ni ẹlẹ́wà mi ẹlẹ́wà. If you are proud to be a Yoruba man or Yoruba woman in the house, ẹ̀yin tèmi bá wòrò ní iyo. Oya lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́. Ladies and gentlemen, let me remind you that Yoruba is a tribe with the main best tribe in the world. And I will respect pass. But I take your advice. As you are seated, the typical Yoruba man will greet you. They see you in the morning, Eka. They see you in the afternoon, Eka. They meet you in the evening, call Ekura. They meet you at night, you call Eka. What if they meet you at home, Eku? You are coming from outside, you call. You don't reach like 3 days when I see you last, you call. What if you are somewhere enjoying yourself? What if you are somewhere spraying money? What if rain fall beat you? If you just want to begin, what if you do your birthday and you just marry new wife, and your wife don't leave you? Check that on the guy kill you on me. I want to party a cool lady. Eku Salo, Iyawo Tawo ni Salo. She is here forever. Amra bawa rob ládùúgbò mi 3 years ago ni ìyá kan bá ní lọ́jọ́ kejì ní ọkọ ẹ̀kọ́ Amra gbọ́dọ̀ mo ní tìyín náà dé ẹ̀dọ̀dọ̀ ni jẹ́ kíyàn ni. Adétọ́lá ayé rẹ̀ nìyẹn. Oti.
Ọ̀yá ọmọ tàbí ní kékeré. I don't afọbajẹ. Tẹ́ bá gbọ́ afọbajẹ network ẹni tó ń pè bẹ́ẹ̀ rẹ̀ àdéwálé. Ìjọ tó jó yẹn ò tó tó rárá. Ìfẹ́ olùsáyà irọ́ pátá pátápátá ìkòdè dẹ́mọ́ ti rẹ̀ sí ìsì. Ẹni yóò mọ jójó jáwọ́. Láti jẹ́ ká mú nítorí lọ́wọ́ mẹ́. Abẹ́rẹ́jẹ́nà afọbajẹ lọ́wọ́ kọ́kọ́ yọ sí ti o. Ó pàdé mi nínú láti fi mọ ọmọ ìlú tó ń lọ. Kì í kú máa pàdé òfin fún mi afọbajẹ. Àgbo adé adé láwá wà tàgé mú lọ. Ọkọ̀ ìyàwó ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ wọ́n kò tó máa yá. Májò sáyé dé. Adébíyìnpé májò ayáǹbá òní àyùbá tó fẹ́ fún bíbọ̀ sí i. Ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ oṣù mọ́wọ́ kúrò lẹ́rọ̀. Ohun tó lé lè rí, ó ń bọ̀ wá ẹ̀rọ. Bèbí jọjọ́ mi bọ̀rọ̀ sí i. Fún bí you can do without it. Yé pàrọ̀ lè máa dẹ́ mọ́ ní tí ó kẹ́ ọ̀tá máa ń lọ sí orí ẹ̀ fún. Wọ́n lè máa ṣakọ ìtọ́jú ọ̀pá. Ọ̀tá máa dẹ́ mọ́ ní tó fẹ́. Mi ò pèsè ọ̀rọ̀ ìfọ́. Ẹgbẹ́ tó máa bá bọ́lá ṣogoṣogo bá bá. Ẹni tó bá owó náà ẹ̀yìn ti di ilẹ̀ bá bá. Adéyínká ìjó tó jó rẹ̀ kò tó rárá. Yínká bọ̀bọ̀. Olúwa gbé ìyá. Eléyìí kò sórí méjì tó ń gbọ́. Àyẹ̀wò ìjẹ́ wá lè rà ìwúbà wa. Látàyè alálùfò òwe wa. Ìjẹ̀bú yé òun náà tún yọ sí i. Àyùbá jẹ́ wá dé. Ìjẹ̀bú rẹ̀ o. Àgbo adé tó nára wà wà yọ ìfọlọ́. Adé adé fọ ẹ̀fọ́. Àwọn méjèèjì àgbẹ̀kọ̀ àwọn lábẹ́ kò ní lọ́gbọ̀kọ̀. Ìfọ́. Emmanuel ọmọdé báyọ̀ olúwàgbé ìyá ọkọ̀ ti yẹ ní sí ìlú lọ́wọ́. Sọ̀rọ̀ àyíká lọ́wọ́. Ìyàwó súnmọ́kọ́ fọmọ́kọ́ yẹ ká fi bẹ̀rù ẹ̀yìn lọ́ọ̀dì o. Adéyẹlé forever, Adé forever. Gbogbo irun orí tí wọ́n gbogbo mọ́rí báwọn gbogbo mọ́kànlá ọkọ̀ àti. Ẹyẹ wo gbogbo máyà láàyà wọ̀dà. Àti ti fáyà ẹ̀ bí pé ló jẹ́ o, kò gbọ́dọ̀ kí àyíká o. Adé wọn kì í fáyà méjì ní ilé wa. Oh no, to the last person. Adé, àtijọ́ fún ìlànà.